Hi, this is Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make your audio track repeat smoothly in Canva? Let's get into it. Click Create at the top of the screen. Next, select the Videos option from the available choices. After that, you'll see an option to use or upload a video from your mobile device to get started. To begin, click the Upload button. Then select Add Audio. Choose the audio file you want to use from your computer and upload it to start the tutorial. Upload this audio file, then select it. To loop the audio, simply enable the loop option in the settings. Select the object, then press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This creates a duplicate, giving you another copy of the selected item instantly. Add the audio file to a single timeline so that when this audio finishes playing, the next item in your sequence will automatically begin without any gaps or interruptions, creating a smooth transition. To loop audio in Canva, select your audio track, click the loop option, and play it to hear the audio repeat automatically for your design. You just learned how to loop audio in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.